I would rather go with healthier skin than wanting to depend on any makeup. But yes, if I wanted to enhance something, maybe mascara, because I think it opens up the eyes. So for me, fitness, health, eating healthy is a part of my lifestyle. I don't do it just for a particular day or for a particular shoot. I know a lot of people do that. I know a lot of people who eat crazy and don't work out, and then suddenly before a shoot, suddenly in 1 week they want this amazing body, and then they're suddenly going to crash that. And I think that's when your body just starts yo-yoing, and then your hormones can go for a toss. So I think it's always better to lead a balanced, healthy lifestyle. So if and when you ever have to, it's ready, and you probably just have to tweak a little bit. I'm someone who's believed that size doesn't matter. Fitness and health is what should come first. I know people who are heavy, but they have great stamina. And I know people who are extremely skinny, but have a very high fat percentage, or have zero stamina. So I think it really depends on your fitness levels. And there's nothing wrong with being a size 0. As long as you're a healthy size 0, that's fine. I'm too much of a foodie. I love eating and I love trying out different types of cuisines. But I'll balance it out. Like, I make sure that when I'm in Bombay, I'm disciplined, because I know that my job requires me to travel a lot. And when I travel, that obviously means eating food from outside. So what I do then to balance it out is to make sure that when I am in Bombay, to eat ghar ka khana as often as possible. If I'm going to shoot, I'll make sure my maid packs a dabba for me in the morning. I'll carry some fruits with me. I'll snack on that through the day. And then so when I do go out, if I have a dinner, if I eat out, or if I have dessert, then I'm not. Then that's not something I have to worry about. So balance. So, I mean, it's nice to know that that people have probably woken up and realized that there is more to this person than just the way she looks. So I don't know, people probably always associated me with being this glamorous, and she can only do these type of roles. And so I'm happy that I've managed to break that notion in people's minds. But that was never my intention. My intention was never to go out there to prove anything to anyone else but myself. But I give that credit to Imtiaz for writing that kind of a role for me. And also Homi and Anaita and my entire team, even Anil Chinnappa, who's done my makeup, for the way they've styled me. And so there's already a well-written character, and then you have this team that comes in and takes it to a whole new level. So whether it's my DOP, whether it's my director who visualized the way this character is going to look, Anaita who's done the styling, or even my hair and makeup for that matter, that's gone, everybody's noticed it. We were shooting a song for Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, so we would have a 9 a.m. shift, which means 9 o'clock ready on set, which means a heroine normally has to be on set at least an hour and a half before, because we take that much longer to get ready. And an hour before that for the gym. So I've been like starting my day at 5 in the morning, because I will go to the gym in the morning before my shoot. It just makes me I just feel really good. If I don't go to the gym, I get really crabby and cranky. I have to go to the gym in the morning, even if it means, like, I remember on Thursday and Friday, I was so tired because we were shooting such long hours, but it was worth waking up that half an hour extra, sleeping less, half an hour less, but going to the gym and doing a 20-minute workout, just walking on the treadmill, gave me this instant burst of energy that probably even that half an hour of sleep would probably not have given me. So I try and balance that.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah. He has an inherent coolness.
And he's very good looking as well.
I'll tell him.
You can pass that on.